you want to maintain your weight loss for the rest of your life, this is a tool you need to be using right now while you're in your fat loss phase. If you don't want to regain the weight again and again and fail like you've done many times before.
Something that's overlooked during the diet process are diet breaks. Not for the reasons you're thinking. Diet breaks don't boost metabolism, nor they are free for all. It's just as important as the actual diet itself. And let me explain you why. Diet breaks are those short period of time where you allow yourself to have more calories, and generally that would be at maintenance or slightly higher calories, just mainly simulating normality and allowing you to reduce some psychological fatigue from dieting. The most important aspect of diet breaks is just basically to allow you to rehearse habits and skills you've been implementing during the entire fat loss phase. Think of this as rehearsing for a performance. During a show, the actors will rehearse every scene to make sure they are comfortable and confident on stage. Similarly, when you think about stage as being live and maintenance, during diet breaks, you're going to be rehearsing all these habits and skills you've been implementing during the fat loss phase to learn how to maintain your weight once you have finished your fat loss phase. The better you practice and the better you're familiarized with these skills,
the better you will be able to implement them after you finish the diet.
Remember, these breaks are as important part of the process as you've been doing your fat loss phase. You're allowing your body and mind to not just become familiar with these habits and practices, manage dieting fatigue, and help you make your journey not just more sustainable, but also more enjoyable.